Top of the top, everybody. It's your boy Show tapping in, and today I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough and show y'all how you can pull property taxes if you're in Dallas County. All right. Now, for us as wholesalers, we like to use this because we get a lot of properties under contract. We get a lot of referrals for properties, and we want to know what we're getting ourselves into before we sign that deal. All right. So if someone comes to us and they want to sell a property for $35,000, but then we know there are taxes on the property owed on the property for $40,000, that's not going to be a deal. All right. And so we ran into that a lot in the past. We would get a property on the contract, send it directly to title without doing any due diligence because we were just happy to have a contract for real, but now that we're deep in the game, what's important to us is making sure we're not wasting time when it comes to deals, because it is a numbers game, and we want to eliminate all the tire kickers and get those actual leads and good deals in the pipeline so we can be able to make money, right? And if you're actually a property owner, obviously it's good for you to know what your tax liability is and where you are as far as paying your taxes. So this could be good for you too. Now, hopefully you already know what you owe on your taxes and you've already paid that man. Got to pay the tax man. Let's get into it, y'all. So we're going to go to DallasACT.com. And if you're outside of Dallas, maybe Fort Worth or any other county, just go to the local tax assessor website and it should give you this information. All right. So I'm going to click on property taxes, click on pay a property tax bill or search for an account. Then we're going to search for your property here. All right, so here we are, Dallas County tax assessor and collector, debt collector, tax collector, the collector. That's him, in case y'all were wondering if you're in Dallas, Texas. All right, so now we're going to do an address search, and I'm just going to type in a property that I own here. I own this property with my business partner and a friend of mine that will soon develop on us in the South Dallas Fair Park area. But the taxes should be paid, right? So account number, owner's name and address, property site address, and the legal description. So here we go. Here's all the property information, but this is what we came for, right? So it has the current tax levy, which is $866.10. That's what my taxes were this year. My current amount due, which is $0. Prior year amount due, which is $0, meaning I paid my taxes last year and the year before that and the year before that. So the total amount that I owe or that we owe on this property is $0. Hopefully your tax statement looks just like this. If it doesn't, tap in, my friends. Get right. You got to pay this man. But pretty simple, guys. That's how you do it. That's it. That's all. If you need to know the property taxes on the property, simply come to this website, type in the address, voila. And a lot of the times what we see is the sellers of these properties don't even know that they owe this much in taxes. So us doing this is kind of like a service for them as well. Now they know we can kind of reset the expectation they had for what they may receive after the sale of the property if they owe a lot in taxes. Thank y'all for watching. If you got any value at all, hit that like button for me. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. Hit the bell so you can get a notification every time I drop more value. And if you're in Dallas, Texas, hit my description. Follow me on social media. Connect with me. Let's get some money together. Till next time, y'all, let's keep on flipping until we get to freedom. And we're going to keep on flipping after that, y'all. Tap in.